Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Arpramun Sardan, NPM 23312222. From the Informatics Study Program, I want to explain what it is Cartesian Coordinate System. Cartesian Coordinate System. The Cartesian Coordinate System, also known as the Cartesian Coordinate Plane, is a two-dimensional coordinate system used in mathematics, physics, and various other fields to represent the position and relationship of points in a two-dimensional space. This system is named after the French mathematician René Descartes, who developed it in the 17th century. Here are some essential aspects of the Cartesian coordinate system. First, key elements. Coordinate axes. The Cartesian coordinate system consists of two straight lines that intersect at the right angles to each other. The vertical line is called the y-axis and the horizontal line is called the x-axis. When they intersect, they form a point called the origin or center point. Origin point. The origin point is the point where the x and y axes meet. It is typically denoted as 0 or 0, 0. Coordinates. Every point in the Cartesian coordinate system is given coordinates x, y, where x is the horizontal distance from the origin and y is the vertical distance from the origin. 2. Quadrants. The Cartesian coordinate system is divided into 4 quadrants, bounded by the x and y axes and focusing on different combinations of the positive and negative coordinates. Quadrant is located to the right and above the origin and most closest to reach quadrant 4 on the lower right. Quadrant 1 coordinates x, y are positive. Quadrant 2 coordinates x, y are negative. Quadrant 3 coordinates x, y are negative. Quadrant 4 coordinates x, y are positive. 3. Plotting points. To plot a point in the Cartesian coordinate system, you measure the horizontal distance from the origin x and the vertical distance from the origin y. The point is given coordinate x and y. For extension to 3 dimensions, the Cartesian coordinate system was originally developed to represent 2-dimensional space but can be extended to their dimension by adding a z-axis that is perpendicular to the x and y axis. In 3-dimensional space, a point is given coordinates x, y, z. The Cartesian coordinate system is highly significant in force fields, including geometry, mathematical analysis, physics, computer science, and several other disciplines. It is a valuable tool for representing the position and relationship of various objects or points in two-dimensional space. Operation on fraction and operation on decimal. Addition. To add two fractions, make sure first that the denominators of both fractions are the same. If they are not the same, find an equivalent value for the denominator and then add the two fractions. Example is this number. Subtraction. To subtract two fractions, ensure that the denominators are the same. If they are not the same, find an equivalent value for the denominator and then subtract one fraction from the other. Example is this. Multiplication. Multiplication to multi-two fractions simply multiply the numerators of one fraction by the numerators of the other fraction and the denominators by the denominators. Example is this. Division. To divide the fraction, flip the second fraction and perform multiplication. In this case, flip the second fraction and calculate the result of the multiplication. Example is this. Additional and subtraction. Additional and subtraction of decimal numbers are performed just like regular addition and subtraction. Ensure that the decimal point is in the same place for both numbers before performing the operation. Example is this. Multiplication. To multiply decimal numbers, perform multiplication as well and count the total decimal place, the digits after the decimal point in both numbers. Place the decimal point in the result of the multiplication according to the total decimal place counted. Example is this. Division. To divide decimal number, perform divide as well. Count the total decimal place in the both numbers and place the decimal point in the result of the division according to the total decimal place counted. Example is this number. Straight lines equations. Straight lines equations. Straight lines equations are a fundamental concept in geometry used to represent straight lines in the Cartesian plane. There are several ways to describe straight line equations, with the most common being the use of equation in the form y equals mx plus c. Below is a presentation of the material on straight line equation. Y equals mx plus c is the general form of a straight line equation in the Cartesian coordinate system, where y represents the vertical coordinate, x represents the horizontal coordinate, m is the slope or inclination of the line, and c is the y-axis intercept, the value of y when the line intersects the y. The slope f indicates how steep or slow the line is. A positive slope signifies a line rising from left to right. A negative slope signifies a line descending from left to right. And a zero slope represents a horizontal line. The y-axis intercept C is the point where the line intersects the y-axis. If the line intersects the y-axis above the origin, C is positive. If below the origin, C is negative. 2. How to graph straight the equation. To graph a straight line with the equation y equals mx plus c, you can begin by identifying the y-axis intercept point, which is the point ZOC. Then you can use the slope m to determine other point on the line. For a positive slope, you can move up or down by m units from the y-axis intercept point and shift horizontally to determine additional points. For a negative slope, you can do the opposite. You can also use 2 points to grab the line. Find 2 points that satisfy the line equation and draw the line passing through them. 3 examples of line equation. For instance, the equation y equal to x plus 1 represents a straight line with a slope of 2 and a y-axis intercept at 1. This means that the line reaches the units vertically for every 1 unit of horizontal shift and intersect the y-axis at the points 0, 1. The equation y equals mean 0, 5x plus 3 represents a straight line with a slope of mean 0.5 and a y-axis intercept at 3. This indicates that the line can have a unit vertically for every 1 unit of horizontal shift and intersect the y-axis at the point 0, 3.